Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add only music to Instagram story. So if you want to post only song to your stories, you can just start by clicking on the plus icon and to open the story. Now just tap on music in here. Then you can just explore and choose the song that you want to update. For example, I'm going to use this one's right here, this uh music. Here you can change the appearance. You can use this CD rotating music, or you can just click on it to change it. You can use this album cover story or lyrics. So just choose which one to use. I'm going to go with this album cover. You can tap on that, and now you can just click on your story to update it. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.